Hey, it's Lucas. I want to show the condition of this mill before I put the table back on. And start with the table here. Take a look. First thing I want to mention is it's got a number here on the side, 6009. If we look at the gib, there's the tapered gib that's in place, and the gib is actually numbered. I guess there's no big deal there, but it's also numbered 6009. So that must have been some, that yellow painted number must have been some kind of factory designation to keep these two pieces, you know, the gib and the table together during manufacturing. So let's take a look here. Here's the only evidence of X direction travel are these 4 polished spots on the outboard sides of the saddle. They're not even, they're hardly even worn. Underneath there's a polished area in the Y on the 2 sides there of the knee. So that's the underside there of the saddle. We'll take a look now here at the table. Here's the underside of this section. It doesn't have any of the oil control area on it, but it's just great. I mean, there's no wear evident. There's a little shadow here from where the DRO scale had been mounted, so that's looking good. So here again, we got, you know, very clean. Everything is looking really good. You can see that there's still, you know, the grinding marks in this area, and I guess it's not surprising given the condition of the saddle. So this thing looks really good. And then before I get too carried away here, I just wanted to point out this is the lead screw in really good shape. I mean, I don't see any damage to this at all. It's in just awesome condition. Okay. I wanted to document the condition of this mill before I put it back together. It's really an amazing machine. It's 1981. The serial number on it is it says 12BR 220771. 220771. So I looked this up, and this is a 1981 vintage machine. And I'm going to just show you the X-axis wear. Okay, you can see it very clearly here. I mean, you can see all the frosting except for, well, in fact, you can see the frosting here too, but there's just 4 polished spots on this on the saddle that show where any wear has occurred. All of the oil control system, all these oilers underneath here, and then the 2 that are on here, and this is just a transfer tube up to this manifold. But anyway, all the oilers have been replaced on this. So yeah, the head on this thing is just incredibly good. It's really an amazing condition. This machine is like something almost beyond belief. So the back, I ended up putting an M head on there that I bought from my landlord here. That's just on there temporarily, just to get it out of the way. Oh, something else here. Now these things you'll be able to see once the table's back on. But just point it out, man. These are you can see all the frosting on the knee, and that goes all the way down. It's like there's no worn out spot on it at all. Also, there's a power traverse on the X, and also on the Z, on the knee Z, and there's a power on the quill too, of course, but that's in the head. But it's got this power system on the knee. It's really pretty amazing, this machine. So just to document, you know, the wear on the X-axis way, just to show somebody later on that this mill is pretty close to the way it came out of the factory in 1981. Hey, this is Lucas. This is really cool stuff.